how has this entrepreneur journey been going for you?
It's going well. I think I'm inspired every day by other young people around me who are also doing multiple different things. So I'm really enjoying the journey of it.
I'll begin with Project Naveli, and I think this is one that really stood out for me because it's an NGO that focuses on gender inequality, which we have so much of in India, and I think a conversation going about it. What was that spark now? Decided that look, this is something that I need to talk about, I need to do something about.
I'm not sure if it was a spark, but I think for most young people my age, and I think as we're termed Gen Zs, I think a lot of us have kind of grown up with this thought of wanting to give back to society and leave society a better place than we found it. I think my entire generation, and I know so many of my friends who are very involved in the non-profit space and working towards not just in terms of climate change, and I think a lot of young people work, and I think that inspired me a lot. I've been surrounded by a lot of young people who believe in change, who believe in leaving society better than they found it, and I think that's just kind of what inspired me as well. And I think the people you surround yourself with truly do impact how you look at the world, and I think that is what kind of led me to also join that mission of not just creating a better world, but also a better India and a better society.
Since you mentioned Gen Z, this is one of my favorite topics to get into, that there is this narrative that Gen Z is blissfully unaware that they're in their own world, that this is a lazy generation. Not true?
No, I definitely have to defend my fellow Gen Zs. I don't think we're lazy. I actually think, and this is something my mother complains about a lot, is that I'm doing too much and that I'm multitasking a lot, which I think is a great skill. I think we've grown up in a world that is constantly changing, constantly evolving, and I think a skill, and I would say a positive skill that all Gen Zs have, is being able to wear multiple hats, being able to play different roles, whether it's at home, whether it's at school, whether it's when you're out at work. And I think I give a lot of credit. It's not very easy to do that, and I think that the sheer